'tis the season to shop. Are you ready?
Ah, yes, my favorite time of year, the holidays. When, the rest of the world finally joins in and celebrates my constant passion for shopping, everyone is out and about buying goodies and gifts for their loved ones. So today, from fabulous scented candles to jewelry to shoes to lingerie and quite literally everything else, festive makeup too, since of course this video is sponsored by About Face. Thanks, Halsey! Look at that, 20% off already. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. We are going on a very extra holiday shopping spree because it is the time. Finally.
Surprise! It's my mom!
Again,
But
I'm
look
here.
at this! Look, surprise again! It's my dad! It's everybody's here! Hi, say hi.
Hello, hey, hi everybody.
Hello, hey, hi. That was
Are
good.
you talking to me or them?
That was perfect. Maybe I'll open the video with this. What a beautiful winter day. You are dressed for the full winter. I'm not even wearing pants.
You're crazy.
I decided to wear my pants today.
All right, where should we go? Guys, my mom is always jealous of my huge oversized sweaters that are so fashionable. I get them here in the men's section.
I want them.
Say hi.
Yours everywhere.
Hi. It's like my house. This is where I get these. I wear these literally all the time. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. We're all in the same outfit. Oh, that's nice. Look at how beautiful this looks in this lighting right now. Shout out to 333. While my mom shops, I support my own business. Nice, nice, nice. You want that?
Yes. I love this.
Merry Christmas.
That's pretty.
I don't think your size for sale. Oh, it is for sale. Okay, never mind. That's nice.
Okay, you.
Oh, nuts. Get me a love like
Nice
that.
decoration.
You know, we used to have crazy family Christmas cards, literally a la the Kardashians. It was insane. Love a good Christmas party. Hi! Anything you want to say to YouTube?
Hi.
Perfect. Bitches love the Container Store. It's just a store full of stuff to put your stuff in. Ah! Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum,
This is like the
bum.
one I got you.
La 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 la. Stop. This is actually so cute. 'Tis the season. Now this is what I'm talking about. I got all my corny dad jokes from you.
Corny dad.
My love of puns from that man. Ooh la la, don't mind if I do.
Favorite.
You love this too. Y'all know this is my shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so fun. I've got to make merch that looks like this. You guys stay tuned. I know it would get done. Let me have a fun day here. Oh, these are so cute. Love these. You guys know I collect these. Wait till you see in the Sky Castle. I'm going to do some whacked out stuff with them this year. Oh, yay. Ooh, we could get some fruity makeup here. Oh my gosh, this is so wow. Oh, I love brands doing the most. Stop. This is such a cute little gift box. Oh, Christmas mark. This is what I'm talking about. I love stuff like this.
That's what I was ready for you.
Did you leave and get a Cinnabon? What is this?
Surprise me eating healthy. What's that?
Breakfast of champions.
This is where I get my
Would you like
terrible
that the first
eating
bite?
habits from, you guys.
Not
I have a
from
sweet
me.
tooth too. Alrighty, to the most festive store of all. Are you ready? This is like a national holiday to me. The Bath and Body Works Day. Tis the f***ing season, y'all. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I just love it. Hello, festivities. Hi. Stop, hi. Oh, hello. Hi.
I was literally watching your video like I think yesterday and I was like, oh my god, your house?
Girl, thank you.
pretty.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This one smells like a boyfriend. This is what my life has come to. I'm gonna buy a scented boyfriend candle. Now that's festive. Oh, it's so festive. I love it. All right, let's see what's upstairs. Stop. Look at how fun. Oh. Well, that's different. These kind of go hard. What do you know?
They're so cute.
Oh, bro, now this is an aesthetic. Dun 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 dun. Okay, let's see. Oh, yep, they're gonna deliver. Like, I can't help it. I always want a bow on my ass. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, these are cute. Okay. I always say I don't want a bag, and then I end up like this. Too lazy to fully take my turtle knock off here, but what do you think? Look at this. So cute. That's pretty hot, too. Oh, this set's really cute. Oh, okay, hear me out. Wearing this over your clothes, I'm gonna wear this like a shirt. Y'all know lingerie in public has always been my favorite look. Hi! Anything you want to say?
I love her. She's so beautiful in person.
Oh, I love you too. Thank you. Holy sh! They do not have a candle of this. Oh my god, this is my fantasy. All right, sold. I'll get 97.
Hi. Oh my god, I'm a big fan.
Woohoo! So festive. Woo! All right, next stop. Dun 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 dun! 'Tis the season! Oh my gosh, I love department store Christmas decorations. Oh, just a quick little sniff through the shoe section, eh? Oh my gosh. Look at how festive. Oh, oh, so cute. Wow. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Honestly? Okay. Wow. That goes hard. That's a look. I love these so much. Oh my god, look at that one. Oh. Stop, look at the Santa themed one. Oh, oh, look how small it is. Oh, definitely festive. Neiman Marcus is just one of my faves. This store knows what's up. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. That is gorgeous. But look at that, you'd never know.
Because, oh my gosh, I'm just too excited. I'm gonna do these right now. Look at the new sapphire necklace set that we have on 333. Gorgeous, just like Princess Diana. Instead of the $300,000 necklace, you can get this one. Same look.
That actually wasn't planned, but how convenient was that? Such a slick ad. Wow. Okay, back to shopping. Oh, wow. I just love how the holidays bring out everyone's extra side. Yes, honeys. Wow. Oh, hell yeah. The only appropriate way to show up to a Christmas party. Stop. This is so cute. Look. I just love the chicken vibes. Ready for the party. As always, it is really late. So here's my little midnight haul. As you can see, I got lots of stuff, but first we're gonna start with something that actually came in the mail today. Look at this. Ooh, baby.
So you guys saw me talk about Face in my little catfishing video.
Which, by the way, if you haven't heard of About Face yet, this is Halsey's makeup line. 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and made for, you know, self-expression.
I loved it so much, I had them send me some more stuff. So we got a bunch of About Face goodies. Here's the little Wreck the Hall lip kit. We got all the really pretty reds in this one. Ooh, baby.
A little tutorial for you here. All right, are you ready? Oh, voila. Alrighty, y'all ready for this? We got the little lip liner here.
So first we're gonna go ahead and use the lip liner. You can see I like to overline my lips, so we'll go ahead and do that. Then we'll go ahead and take the lip cream, put that all over.
Wow. Oh, look, mama. This is just so smooth and soft and buttery. It's like, mwah, creme de la creme. Comes with a gloss too, so we'll put that on. Kiss you under the mistletoe or under the chandelier. Gorgeous. So huge shout out to About Face for sponsoring this video. Again, hi Halsey, if you see this, hi. Hi. If you guys want to shop the lip kit and twin with me, you guys can. Ding, 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 ding. And there you go. Happy shopping. Makes a great little Christmas gift and also just makes you look very spicy. Plus you get free shipping and a free gift with purchase. Hello, we love it.
Alrighty, let's see. What else should we start with here? Okay, I guess let's do the H&M bag because it's overflowing.
All right, so from H&M, I got a bunch of stuff. George, you're walking over Mommy's haul. George, you're walking all over Mommy's haul. Hi, I love you. Oh, okay, perfect. Yes, sit there. Okay, so I got this little nude sweatsuit and this little gray sweatsuit. You know when you want to be nude but not sexy. So soft, so comfy, we love it. I also got some cool Princess Diana inspired sweaters. You guys know this iconic look. Oh my gosh, so excited. George, please stop sniffing the hall, boogeyman. When I don't want to wear pants, I want to wear these. This is so cute and banging cheap. By the way, speaking of Diana, new on 333, I'm so excited about these. We just got some Princess Diana inspired necklaces.
You saw I showed them when I was shopping earlier, but these are so stinking cute. They're made just to look like exactly like the real thing. Adorable. They come with the little matching earrings too. But we actually have a bunch of new stuff. I'm like stoked about it. Look at this. We have the double necklace here. Oh my gosh, this is like Ariana and Kylie's stuff. So cute. You have yellow, white, and then the special limited edition pink one. So fabulous. What else do we got here? We got a bunch of other stuff. Oh, by the way, the radiant rings and the cushion rings are back in stock, as well as the oval rings. Everything is replenished. So you can get to shopping. And we also have the butterfly necklaces restocked too. How cute are these? They're like little miniature butterflies. Plus we got all the tennis bracelets back. We have sterling silver ones, and then we have a cheap, broke bitch option here. Woohoo! I was packing it all up yesterday. You guys are just the best. Thank you so much for shopping. It really does mean the world to me. So happy shopping. Oh, we can all be little princesses together, Modern day princesses, all of us. I got 3 turtleneck crop tops, which really look like nothing here, but on they're cute, I swear. These and another brand on Amazon that I'm obsessed with. I have like a million of them, so I'll link those below. Makes all sweatshirts just look like that old money look. Also on the real clothes trend, I finally got a little navy blazer suit with a matching skirt. Y'all know this is way too long for my liking though, yikes. Okay, this is very obviously way too much fabric in general for my liking, but hem it and make it short, kind of like that, sort of, except not super messed up. It's gonna be very schoolgirl, gossip girl, very chic. My hair is looking crazy right now, but all right, what else? Oh, right, so from the little antique shop, I am dying. You guys know, like I said, I love Swarovski. I'm always buying these secondhand because they're way cheaper. Look at how cute this is. I got a little Swarovski display mirror to put all my little pretty trinkets on. Yay. Here, oh my gosh, look at this. This is so beautiful, oh my gosh. I got this glittery Princess Ariel clamshell, and I'm obsessed with this. Look at that pearl in there. Oh, hi, George. You were just in every shot. And I also got, oh my gosh, the world's cutest little music box. Look at this. Look at the beautiful wooden marquetry. Oh, tiny objects I don't need are my passion. Dun, dun, dun. Alrighty, so here's all the candles I ended up picking. We got Christmas cider, cinnamon sugar pecans, holiday the dark. My names for them: Hot Man, Cinnamony Christmas, Cinnamon Christmas but sugary, and Muted Cinnamon Christmas. Dun, dun, dun. So festive. I am so excited about these. I also got the Pure Seduction candles. I got 3 of them. Got some cute fuzzy slippers to be festive and fun. I got this super cute little loungewear set, and you know me, I don't just get one of anything, so also got the full collection. I also got this little lingerie set. I got the black and white one, so cute, and then I did get the very long, this looks so weird on the ground, but I got the little bodysuit too that I can wear for, and I'm gonna wear as a shirt. Let's look at that, George. They gave us $25 off. Are you so excited for that? George actually loves them all. I don't usually bring him when I'm filming, but when I'm not filming, you always come with me, don't you? Haha. Mimi, I love you. Dun, dun, dun. From Dior, got a really cool little gold lipstick. Look at that. I'm just gonna use this as decor, but it's cool. And I got a little Dior nail polish. Do you see the logo on there? It's kind of hard to see. Oh, so cute. Dun, 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 dun. This not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life. Oh, it is a snowy snow Christmas wonderland. Oh, and I also got this gorgeous frame. I actually ordered this on eBay, but oh my gosh, look at this. Look at how beautiful. It's like a bow gilded gold frame. I'm gonna put a picture of probably you in there. This is really heavy metal. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. It's like a heart, do you see? Oh. P.S. Don't forget, if you guys want to shop the About Face lips, the link is below. You're welcome. Mwah, mwah. Okay, I definitely officially have to go to bed now, but that was my haul. That was my ridiculously long shopping spree adventure. Thanks for watching. I love you. Happy holidays. And of course, happy shopping. Kisses till next time. XO. want to be festive? Oh, a star.